Okay, we are kicking off 15 minutes of Walkfit. Beautiful morning. Hope it is wherever you are. Are you ready? We start today with a box step, right leg forward. And again, we have going for 3 combinations to our dance style Walkfit. If you are clocking your steps, let's see what we can get. If we got more than yesterday, maybe, let me know. 2 more box steps. Now take a rock step, right and left, and then hold. We're out for 2 and in for 2. Let's go again. Rock over. And then march. Out for 2 and in for 2. Let's go again. Rock. Now hold it. Good. Bring it in. Let's do another 2 and then put those 2 moves together. Good. Now wide. Again. Here we go. Rock. Good. Take it wide. Together. Are you ready? Give me a box step. Right leg forward. Yay! Box. Rock step. Here we go. 1. Take it out. Countdown is on for your 15 minutes. Let's go. Box step forward for 2. And then rock. Right and left. Box step again. Now rock. Now let's add on. Let's take a grapevine. Favorite move. Do it again. All the way across and back. Now put everything together. So we have 2 box steps. Now rock. Right and left. Grapevine. Now back. 1 more. That's our first block today. Here we go. 2 box steps. Now let's rock across. 4. Grapevine. Now back. Fabulous. Now second combination. We're going to walk forward and hold. Hold it. Walk back. Hold again. Let me know how you're feeling in the comments. Good. Walk back. Now we're going to tap right, left. 8. And again. 4. 3. Walk forward. Let's go. Walk. Hold it. Walk back. Hold. Tap it out side to side. Now let's pick up those feet. Again. Walk forward. 1. Now hold. Walk back. Tap it out. And again. 5. Now let's add on a step together. So a step touch. That's it. From the top, walk forwards. Walk. Now hold. Now bring it back. Now hold. Tap it out side to side. And step touch. And again, let's go. Walk. 1. Bring it back. Tap. Now step touch. We're going to run this routine 4 more times. Walk it. Now hold it. Now again, really bring your arms up. Tap it out to the side. And then step together. 3 more. Let's go. Walk. Hold it. Walk back. Tap it out. Side. Now step touch. We have 2 more. It's getting warmer. Yes. And bring it back. Of 1. Tap it out. Side to side. Now step touch. We have 1 more. Let's go. Walk. Hold. Walk back. Tap it out. Step together. Now let's have a walk around in a circle. 2, 3. Keep walking. Box step with both arms up. Walk again. Now we put the first routine together, 2 boxes. Now rock, grapevine, grapevine again, and we do that combination again. You're ready. 2 box steps. Rock, grapevine, one more, second combination, walk forward, let's go, hold it, now bring it back, hi gang, everyone joining, tap it out, yes, step touch, very good, walk up, 1, now hold it, knees up high, tap it, 1, now go step touch, walk it around, 1, 2, now box step, walk again, 1, 3, now box, and again walk, now box step, and again walk around, 2, 4, now box, now add a chassé, so we go forward, now the march, and again chassé back, now we can make this as big as possible, 1, 2, 3, now if you don't want a chassé, just walk forward, are you ready, walk around, now box, and again walk around, now box, chassé, 1, 2, 3, march, chassé, and again chassé, now bring it back, walk around, 1, 2, now box step, and again walk around, now box, chassé forward, my favourite moves, 1, now bring it back, now a fast speed, out, there you go, walk it around, 1, 2, now box step, walk around again, now box step, chassé forward, 1, 2, 3, hi, now take it out for 2, now you could march out for 2, or you could add that quickie, very good, walk around again, now box step, walk around again, now box, chassé forward, good, so we've got 3 combinations, take it out, and if you want to make that into a quickie, there it is, walk around, 1, now box, and again walk around, the best way to start your day with our Walkfit, chassé, let's go, 1, 2, 3, march, bring it back, out for 2, make that into a quickie, everything, now just hold the march, let me know how you're feeling, let me know in the comments, everybody good? Yes, hold it there with a march, so 3 combinations, let's put them together, first one, 2 box steps, here we go, rock, grapevine, we'll do that combination again, let's go box step, 2 forward, rock, grapevine, left, box step, let's go, 2, now rock, all the way across, fine. Again, here we go with your box. 2 forward. Rock. Grapevine. Now second combination. Let's take a walk forward. 1, 2, 2, 2. Now bring it back. Tap it out. Step touch. Walk again. 1. 4. Hold. Walk back. Take it out for 2. Step together. Step touch. Walk again. Here we go. 1, 2, 2, 2. Now bring it back. Tap. Step touch. 1 more. Now bring it back. Tap it out. Step together. Oh yeah. Now walk around. Number 3. Now box step. Walk around again. Let's go. Now box step. Chassé. 1, 2, 3. March. Now back. Take it out for 2. My energy. Make that into a quickie if you want to. You don't have to. Walk around. 1. Now box step. Let's go. Walk around again. Now box step. Now chassé. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Now bring it back. Take it out for 2. Quickie if you want to. It's up to you. And again, let's go walk around. Gosh, it's getting warm now. Seriously warm. Box. Here we go. Walk around. Now box. Are you ready? Chassé forward. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love this track. We're going out. Add the quickie. We're going to put everything together. Are you ready? 2 box steps. Rock. Grapevine. 1 more. Walk forward. Hold it, walk back. Hold. Tap it. Step touch. Walk around. Yes. 1. Now box. Walk around again the other way. Now box step. Chassé forward. Gang, we are nearly there. Let's go wide. Now you've got an option of doing that quickie. Keep it going. We're going to keep going for the quickie.
Do I ever feel good?
Run
Yes.
and out.
When?
8 more if we can. 8. Big boost at the end.
Are you
Get these
sure?
extra steps in.
No.
4,
When will you
3,
be sure?
2, 1.
Never.
Yes. Oh,
Are
love
you
that
happy?
today. Deep breath. Breathe it in.
Sometimes.
Breathe it out.
Now.
In.
Yes.
Breathe it out. Fabulous. 1 more. In. There we go, guys. Check your watch if you've got your Apple Watch on or your step counter. How many steps did you do? Put it in the comments and let me know how you're feeling. Endorphins up, heart rate up, positive energy, positive vibes. Let me know. That was awesome. Great Walkfit class. Oh, how'd you feel, team? Feel good? That was awesome. So don't forget to put the steps in and let me know. Awesome. Fabulous. All right, gang, well done. I will see you on the next one.